If you know that you're having a challenge with your mental health, or maybe it's somebody that you're concerned with, it's not enough just to talk to a friend. They're not an expert in mental health. And also, if you've been experiencing this problem for an extended period of time, most likely it's not going to get better on its own. So what I want to share with you are reasons why I believe in therapy and why I have had therapy and would not hesitate to get it. So what is the difference between therapy versus talking to your friend, or maybe even talking to your dog, or going for a walk? Number one, especially in comparison to a friend, is the focus is 100% on you. When you are having a particularly tough time that has gone on for an extended period of time, you don't have the bandwidth to listen to somebody else's problem. And often when you share with somebody, there's a law of reciprocity and they share back, which can be incredibly exhausting. But with a therapist, it's 100% about you. And you don't have to worry about feeling narcissistic or selfish or any of those things. Number two, myself included, therapists challenge you. Your behavior, your emotions, your thoughts, if they were working, then you wouldn't be wondering, maybe I should see a therapist. So they will challenge you to try things differently, perhaps to change your habits. So many things sometimes that it will make you uncomfortable. Their job is to make you uncomfortable. Whereas a friend, they might not want to hurt your feelings. They might not obviously have the expertise to know where to challenge you. And then number three, there are clear boundaries. So after you have shared extremely vulnerable things with that therapist, by law, it remains confidential. Now, at the beginning of therapy, they're going to talk to you about limits to confidentiality, so if there's concern about you harming yourself or harming somebody else. But other than that, therapy is all about you. It's completely objective. The therapist is an expert, and there are clear lines around boundaries, so that you can share and you can feel safe to share. I hope that shed some insight into why talking to friends versus therapists is a big difference. And you know what? Do yourself some good. Seek a therapist if that's something that you need. It's one of the best things you'll ever do. Have an awesome night.